Welcome back, everybody. Well, got my first GoPro working again. I've ordered this new one today. Kind of gutted. This is my GoPro kit I just bought as well yesterday. Straps. Needs to do a bike stuff as well for it. All additional parts. And strap for another strap. Kind of bag as well. Got that as well. So that's that sorted. And have a look at tripod. So I can use it for the bus videos for museum. Use it for my own too. Yeah. And the best part, suction cup as well for my GoPro too. Yeah. This is basically much everything basically. I'm at the Museum of Transport on this Wednesday. As a math fest this weekend, I should have been to the bus, but due to the fact Northern Rail Railway's on strike, I can't get to it apart from going by bus, which will cost me a hell of a lot more money.